What's up, homeowners? HVAC repair guy here. Today, we're doing a heavyweight title fight in the ductless world. We've got two of the biggest names in the premium tier going head to head. The ACiQ Essentials K-Series versus the Bosch Climate 5000. Both of these units are high-end variable speed inverter machines designed for serious comfort. But don't let the big brand names fool you. One of these has a massive advantage when it comes to keeping your wallet safe in the long run. Let's tear them down. Now, since we're talking ductless, we aren't looking at big louvered cages like a central air unit. We're looking at chassis durability. Both brands are bringing the heat with coated coils. ACiQ uses a gold-fin hydrophilic coating to fight off salt and moisture. Bosch is right there with them, using high-quality components designed for the 2026 season. They both feature compact footprints, but Bosch has that German-engineered reputation for tight tolerances. However, ACiQ is the king of the DIY-friendly market, meaning the build is robust enough for a homeowner to handle without a dealer-only lockdown. Let's talk numbers. This is where things get interesting. The ACiQ Essentials K-Series is pulling a solid 21.4 SEER 2 rating. That's great, but Bosch actually takes the edge here. The Climate 5000 series can reach up to 27.4 SEER 2. That is a massive jump in efficiency that'll show up on your power bill. On the noise side, they are both whisper quiet. ACiQ clocks in at about 25 dBA indoors, while Bosch is right there at 23 dB. You won't hear either of these over a conversation, but Bosch gives you more bang for your buck on raw efficiency. Before we get to the warranty battle, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a coil fail because of salt air or debris? Or maybe you've tried installing one of these yourself. Drop a comment below and let's talk shop. All right, let's look at the safety nets. Both brands offer a solid 10-year parts warranty if you go through the right channels, but ACiQ's compressor coverage is 12 years compared to Bosch's 10. But here is the knockout punch. The ACiQ Essentials comes with a 1-year unit replacement pledge. That means if your compressor, the heart of the system, quits in year 1, they don't just send a part, they replace the whole outdoor unit. Bosch doesn't offer a unit replacement guarantee on this model. In my world, that no-hassle guarantee is worth its weight in gold. So, who wins? If you want the absolute highest efficiency and that Bosch nameplate, the Climate 5000 is a beast. But the HVAC repair guy winner is the ACiQ Essentials K-Series. Why? Because you get contractor-grade specs, better compressor coverage, and that unit replacement pledge that Bosch just doesn't match. For a homeowner, that's the ultimate peace of mind. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.